Welcome to the DevopsInvent Software Institute, where innovation meets education. Are you ready? We believe in empowering aspiring software developers, designers, and programmers with the tools they need to excel in the rapidly evolving tech industry. With our state-of-the-art facilities, experienced instructors, and cutting-edge curriculum, we're here to transform your passion for tech. Comprehensive courses cover a wide range of in-demand programming languages, including Python, tools, Jenkins, Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Terraform, Nagios, ELK Stack, Prometheus, Grafana, Jira, Slack, New Relic, SonarQube, AWS CloudFormation, Azure DevOps, GitLab, CI. We cover programming languages used in DevOps, Python, Bash shell scripting, Ruby, Go, Java, JavaScript, PowerShell, Groovy, Perl, CC++, PHP, Swift, Rust, Kotlin, Scala, TypeScript, R, Lua, Objective-C, Cgin, Golang, Machine learning algorithm, artificial intelligence, robotics programming. We also emphasize creativity and design principles to help you develop stunning user interfaces and captivating user experiences. Our instructors will guide you in mastering popular design tools, tech companies around the world. Their stories speak about the impact of our education. Our extensive network in industry connections ensures that you'll have the support and future help. Join us and be part of a thriving community of tech enthusiasts who are shaping future good day.